Hello and welcome to the Copilot series on C#.tv. My name is Mahesh Chand. I'm founder of C# Corner. Today we are starting a new series, Copilot for students and programmers. As you can guess from this title, this series is all about Copilot, where mostly GitHub Copilot, where you will learn how to use GitHub Copilot to do your day-to-day routine tasks, writing code, checking errors, bug fixing, and so on and so forth. This series has multiple episodes. It's based on my ebook. I wrote a book, Copilot Handbook. The book is available to download on csharp.com/ebooks. As you can see from the book, it has 9 chapters. Introduction, how to write a boilerplate code, auto-completion, how to document your code using Copilot, code refactoring. You can write test cases using Copilot, fix errors. There's something called / commands, code conversion. So these are the chapters in the book. My goal is to create one episode per chapter, but there may be more bonus material in the additional episodes as well. So welcome to the first episode, Introduction to Copilot. What is Copilot? It's an AI assistant. It's developed by Microsoft. It uses Gen AI, which in the back end uses LLMs to generate content based on the prompts. So prompting is very important to know. If you are not familiar with prompting, C# Corner, I have a great article that breaks down how the prompts work for Gen AI. But good thing is if you are, you're using GitHub Copilot, you don't really need prompting too much. Simple language will work as well. So it has two free and paid versions. I'm going to use the paid version for my demos in this video series. So what are benefits? As you can guess, why are we using Gen AI and Copilot? The first thing is really, think of this is an AI assistant at your fingertips. You can ask it anything to do for you. Ask any questions, do some research, generate code, review your code. And at the end of the day, it helps you save a lot of time and helps improve productivity. And that's all that matters. End of the day, what a business wants. Business wants their software applications to be done faster, cheaper, secure, better. And that's what it helps. Copilot helps you. It's kind of your personal assistant. And good thing is you don't have to pay salary. It's available all the time. You can just use it anytime you want. How cool is that? Two kinds separate, GitHub Copilot and Microsoft Copilot. I'm sure you have seen on your Windows operating system, Copilot sign is everywhere. It's on Windows, Microsoft Edge has it, Teams has it, Skype, Azure, Power Platform, everywhere you can see Copilot now. You can also go to copilot.com where it will work as a chat GPT. Then the second component is GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is a little bit different. It's only for software development help. It's an AI pair programmer. So it doesn't do much besides software development. So AI, again, GitHub Copilot is an AI assistant. It helps you write code faster and hence improves productivity, obviously. What can it do? What does Copilot can do? It can write your boilerplate code. Like literally you can write entire application almost typing any code. It can write all entire code for you. It can help you complete code. It can help you write methods and functions. It can do code refactoring and also implement best practices. It can help find errors and fix errors for you in the code. How cool is that? It can imagine you just joined a new company and it's an old project and you just joined that team. Now somebody has to explain you the project. Now Copilot can actually be that person. Copilot can be your assistant that you can say, can you explain me this entire project and write a report and create a document so I can learn from it, and it can do that for you. It's amazing. Write code comments, right? Nobody likes to write code comments and test cases. It can automatically write for you. How much time? That's amazing. It can translate code from one language to other language. For example, you found a cool library, say in Python, and you want to convert that to Java. It can help you convert that. If you want to learn a new programming, or you are a student want to learn programming, it can help you learn programming as well. As it's think like it's your AI tutor now. You can ask questions, say, hey, I want to start learning C sharp. How do I write a simple hello world application? Then you can ask your code, it can explain code, and so on and so forth. So we will see all these things in action during the series. If you're going for interviews, it can actually even help you prepare for the technical interviews. That's pretty cool. So we saw what Copilot can do, but it also has some limitations. Remember I said Copilot generates content based on these LLMs, and LLMs got this data from GitHub repo, from Stack Overflow, from internet, from documentation, all that. So some of the code it generates may not be the quality code you're looking for. So you have to always verify the code that this is the code really you want. Just you have to peek one time. If you are a learner and beginner, start using Copilot without understanding the code. That may hinder your learning. So goal is, if you are a beginner or students, try to not use too much. You use it once you know how to write this, how to build, then you can write it, use it as an assistant. It expects you to provide clear context and instructions. That's very important to generate right output. It can, again, it has potential for errors. The code may not be reviewed for security and performance, so you have to review that, make sure the code you are using is right, and sometimes may also have copyright issues. And if you're generating, say, writing a application in latest version of a language, for example, C# 13 just came out, and you are building everything in C# 13, Copilot may not know what C# 13 is, how the syntaxes work, because the LLMs hasn't updated yet. So those are the things you have to keep in mind. However, in general cases, this should be able to help you a lot tremendously, because when you are working in these companies for projects, you're not really working on the latest version. You're always working a few versions behind, at least a couple. So that was the episode 1. Next episode, we are going to talk about how to build a boilerplate code, how to write a boilerplate code using Copilot, and we will build a simple application without typing a single line of code. Thank you.